Our customers operate in very complex environments. They run very sophisticated, complex manufacturing facilities to produce this industrial print, and they face a lot of challenges understanding what is going on across production floor and being able to effectively plan the production and then adapt when issues arise. Collecting data and understanding the status of these devices is a major problem. Earlier this year, HP announced plan for intelligent printing factory of the future. This is our vision for addressing problems our customers are facing in production. So we're looking to automate print production end-to-end by leveraging AWS services like IoT Greengrass and Sitewise. We were able to connect to these devices, collect the data, and start to get insights, sometimes within minutes and hours from the initial connection. Once we collect the data from this diverse set of devices, we are streaming it up into the cloud. We're joining with all the other production data and are looking to analyze it to apply both traditional and generative AI and ML models to deliver insights as knowledge and recommendations to our customers. We were able to go from the initial idea, the initial concept, to a working solution we were showing to our customers in less than 6 months. Our speed to market improved by about 50%. I really look forward to new technologies, new services from AWS that we can leverage.